China July export growth visible cooling, imports in all likelihood to upward push. Reuters poll Beijing China's export boom is predicted to have slowed in July, including to signs and symptoms of weakening global call for, whilst imports probable picked up slightly, a poll showed on Friday. Exports likely grew 15.0% closing month from a 12 months in advance, narrowing from a 17.9% expansion in June, in keeping with a mean forecast in a ballot of 20 economists. Final demand for Chinese items is now softening. After a pandemic-induced surge, superior economic system retail income are dropping return to fashion, mentioned Julian Evans-Pritchard, senior China economist at Capital Economics mentioned in a notice remaining weak. Export momentum may want to mild in addition in coming months, with China's respectable July manufacturing unit survey signaling a contraction in orders. The sturdy export growth visible over the last years is truly in the back of us and is set to slow down over the following few quarters as major developed economies enter recessions amid a extra synchronized international slowdown, said Nomura in a notice. Imports probable rose 3.7% in July versus a year in the past, the ballot confirmed, higher than the 1.0% boom in June, in part boosted via infrastructure investment. China's import momentum is expected to select up within the second half of, supported by means of call for machinery, equipment, and commodities related to funding in infrastructure and strategic sectors, said Oxford economics analysts in a notice. In July, 876 principal tasks started out production, involving overall funding of 2.4 trillion yuan, $355.25 billion, the Securities Times said on Thursday. With the economy on shaky floor after a sharp COVID-induced slowdown inside the 2D zone, government are doubling down on an infrastructure push, dusting off an antique playbook to prop up the economic system, pledging 800 billion yuan in new credit quota to fund big projects. China's alternate surplus is in all likelihood to have narrowed to $90 billion in July from a document high of $97.94 billion in June. The alternate statistics might be launched on Sunday. $1 equals 6.7559 Chinese yuan renminbi, poll compiled through Devayani Sothian and Jing Wang, reporting with the aid of Liangping Gao, Ellen Zhang and Ryan Wu, editing via Kim Coghill.